Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are in Belvedere Marittimo today and scouting properties for a couple of clients that we have. We found some really awesome options for them and we're going to go check out this place. It looks like it's in a beautiful complex. Tons of parking here and it's right across the street from the sea. Let's check it out. Okay guys, we're going in. Come on. Now, I want to point out that this place comes furnished with everything you see except for a couple of special items. Specifically, this one is going away. But the kitchen, everything else can remain. So that's something you want to take into consideration. Here we have around 90 square meters of living space, all on one level. Only a short flight of stairs up into the living space here. And you have a spectacular view from the terrace. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. I want to point out some features that have a lot of value. Specifically, this door is solid wood, probably chestnut, and it's really beautifully done. There's a lot of points and features in this house, little touches that are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm seeing relatively new central heating, which is not super common. This is a house that was set up for people to actually live here, not as a vacation home. Take a look at this stunning kitchen. It looks like it was made to measure. It stays with the house along with the furniture, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and here's the terrace. You've got a stunning sea view, and the sea is just on the other side of that street. Now behind me, you get a view of Diamante, which sort of jets out into the sea. It's a gorgeous little town, very close by, and you're about halfway between Belvedere Marittimo and Diamante. And on this terrace, you've got a beautiful built-in kitchen. Check it out. And as I said earlier, the furniture comes with this house, and it's really solid, and probably a lot of it is handmade. It's very pretty, it's in gorgeous shape, the floors are stunning, and I want you to take a look at some of the architectural features. Like up above the lamps, they've got those medallions up there. And in every nook and cranny, there's something beautiful to look at. Okay, we're back in the hallway, and there's a huge ripostiglio here. And again, if you look at these doors are solid wood. They're not like the cheap doors that sometimes you see in some of these older units that were put up really quick. This place was really well put together and well maintained. Now, let's go into the other soggiorno. You have two. Actually, you have a dining room over there and you've got a soggiorno here, but they have tables in both, so you can have guests out here or you can eat in the kitchen. There's plenty of room in both areas. Now, here in this soggiorno, as you can see, I was just oohing and awing because there's some really beautiful artwork here, specifically that piece on the wall there. I really like that. And there's plenty of room here. There's a lot of furniture in here, which you may or may not want or need, but it's light, it's bright, and you actually have cornice, which are crown molding. And you know how I love crown molding. I would have it everywhere. It's so pretty. Now, also, you have these beautiful medallions up here. The light fixtures are gorgeous. Everything stays with this house. And this part also opens onto that beautiful balcony, which has the gorgeous view of the sea. Now, today it's a little bit hazy, so you don't see how blue the sea is. Normally, the sea is a bright, bright blue, and the sunsets from here are absolutely spectacular. Okay, here we are in the kids' room or the guest room or the den or study, whatever you want it to be. I think it'd be a great place for a den or study because it opens out onto a balcony outside and it's very, very light and bright in here. The light is beautiful for painting, for studying, for doing whatever you want to do. There's tons of light and it's a good sized space. Okay guys, and here we have a nice full bath, and for tubby people, there's a tub in here, and it looks to be in really, really nice shape. Now check out the vanity here. It's covered in beautiful marble, and it's a good sized bathroom. Everything is relatively new. You don't have to do anything to it. You just move right in. Okay, and here we are in the master bedroom, and it's very big, very pretty. Once again, I can point out the solidity and beauty of these handmade doors that were made to measure for this house. Now, this particular room has a lot of furniture in it, and the furniture's not small, so the room is actually quite large. Again, it has a little balcony out the back so that you get the air and the light coming in, and in summer when it's really hot, you can actually go out and enjoy this balcony in the back, and you'll be shaded from the afternoon sun. Okay guys, this is a beautiful option for somebody who wants to just move right over and move right in. This beautiful house already set up, everything comes with it. All you gotta do is bring your toothbrush and your sun hat.